This video is going to be taking you through the process of making these beautiful chicken rolls. Now I have my shredded chicken flesh and also the boiled potato. I've smashed it. Now smashed potatoes and the carrots. I've just steamed it for just about 3 minutes. I'm going to join everything together now. I have measured 2 cups of flour into the bowl. I'm going to put in about 100 grams of butter and half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'll mix everything together now. Everything is well mixed, so I'm going to bring a little water, room temperature, a little, and mix again. Our dough is well mixed and ready. I'm going to cut out the shape I want. Now with all the dough cut into shape, I'm going to put in the mixture of the chicken, shredded chicken, smashed potatoes, and carrots in all of them. And then I'll roll it. Now I've greased my baking pan with butter so that it will not catch. The next step is to brush each one with egg, raw egg. And the chicken rolls goes into the oven. Here we have our delicious looking chicken rolls. You can try these easy steps of making chicken rolls at home for your family. Please click on the subscribe button so that you get our videos fresh as we drop them. Don't forget to watch our other interesting videos and also share with your loved ones. Thank you for watching Zara Niger on YouTube.